Yeah. So the independence increases, especially in adolescence. So as soon as they hit adolescence, they will start wanting more and more independence. And I love to remind parents, it's biological, not personal. So don't take it personally. It's biological. Their brain starts reforming, literally creating new neural connections so they can be more independent. And that's a very good thing. The challenge for us as parents is that they often want more independence than they're able to handle. They want the freedom and the independence without the responsibility that comes with it. And so we're looking at them going, yeah, I hear you. I realize you want it, but you really got to show me that you're ready for it.
Mm.
And so there's that delicate walk of helping them gain the independence through responsibility.
And all of that is going to be facilitated by this word mentoring, because we have the extraordinary parent mentoring method course that she just joined. And so she's like, what does that specifically mean? Mentoring. And why are we using that word? But one of the things that came to mind while she was saying that was a quote by Abraham Lincoln. And I think it's very relevant because to me, it's kind of the underlying framework behind our idea of mentoring. And he said that if you would win a man to your cause, you must first convince him that you are his sincere friend. So when I think about parent mentoring, that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about convincing my children to my cause, which is I have their best interests in mind. But by first convincing, I'm messing it up, but whatever, by first convincing them that I'm their sincere friend. Like I'm sincerely their friend, not a friend like in where, oh, I'm your friend and yeah, there's no punishments or anything. Not that type of friend, but the friend that really cares about them and really wants what's best for them. But they have to know that. They have to know that I'm not trying to control them. I'm literally there to mentor and guide them to help them figure out what's best for them so that I can support them in doing it. It's all about them. It's not about me. And when they know that I actually want what is best for them and I'm there to help them learn how to make good decisions and figure out what's best for them and then do that thing, they know I'm on their side. And so they want to listen to me. That to me, I guess, is the basis of mentoring, right?
Yeah.